Will Amazon charge me for changing the shipping address after shipment?
Hey there! Welcome to our video where we'll be discussing whether Amazon will charge you for changing the shipping address after your shipment has been made. This is a common concern among Amazon customers, so let's dive right in and find out the answer.
Amazon's shipping address change policy.
When it comes to changing the shipping address after your package has been shipped, Amazon's policy states that it depends on the carrier and the specific circumstances. Once your order has been processed and handed over to the carrier, it may not be possible to make changes to the shipping address. However, there are a few scenarios to consider. Scenario 1. Amazon's shipping services. If your package is being shipped using Amazon's own shipping services, such as Amazon Prime or Amazon Logistics, you may have some options available to change the shipping address. In this case, Amazon may allow you to modify the address through their website or customer support without any additional charges. It's important to note that this option may not always be available and is subject to Amazon's discretion. Scenario 2. Third-party carriers. If your package is being delivered by a third-party carrier, such as UPS, FedEx, or USPS, Amazon typically doesn't have control over the shipment once it has been handed off to the carrier. In this situation, changing the shipping address becomes more challenging. You may need to contact the carrier directly to inquire about any address change options they provide. However, please note that the carrier may charge an additional fee for changing the address, and any charges would be determined by the carrier, not Amazon.
How to change the shipping address.
If you find yourself in a situation where you need to change the shipping address after your order has been shipped, here are the steps you can take. 1. Visit Amazon's website and sign in to your account. 2. Go to the Your Orders section to view your recent orders. 3. Locate the specific order for which you want to change the shipping address. 4. Click on the Order Details or Track Package button to access more information about the shipment. 5. If the option is available, you may see a Change Address or Edit Address button. Click on it to modify the shipping address. 6. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter the new address details and complete the address change process. Remember, the availability of the address change option will vary depending on the carrier and the stage of the shipment. If the option is not available or you encounter any difficulties, it's best to contact Amazon's customer support for further assistance. To summarize, whether Amazon will charge you for changing the shipping address after your shipment has been made depends on the carrier and the specific circumstances. If your package is being shipped using Amazon's own services, you may have the option to change the address without additional charges. However, if a third-party carrier is involved, they may charge a fee for address changes. It's crucial to keep in mind that the ability to change the address after shipment is not guaranteed and is subject to various factors. If you need to change the shipping address, it's recommended to act as quickly as possible and reach out to Amazon's customer support if needed. We hope this information has been helpful, and thank you for watching.